Everything is clear, guys. I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So now let's start it. So this one is what? Otherwise, the details will not store, guys, until unless if we are not published, right? Or register, then the detail will not be there in what? Eureka server.
Yes, Ravi.
Register, right?
Okay.
So okay, good. So here what? All information will store about what? Both microservices, guys. Okay, both microservices. So here what? So here what? So all information will be there, right? So based on that, what? Instance ID, service ID, right? Based on that service ID, we will fetch what is that. Just don't assume that multiple microservices will be there here, guys. Microservices will be there, right? So but what, based on this service ID, we are fetching one microservices, right? So but still, what is that? What is the return type of what? This what? This instances. Now what is the return type of what? The instances now list of what? List of what? Service instances, guys. Okay, what is that? List of what? Service instances. List of what? This one will return what? List of what? Service instances. Okay, good. So here what? List of, it will return what? List of
Services.
Services instance.
Service ID.
service instance.
Instance.
List of what? Service instance. After then what? This controller will prepare what is that? URI. This controller here from the Eureka server, what? URI also will return na. So by taking that URI,
Yes. Yes.
URI plus what is that? We need what? This REST controller. This REST controller what? Path.
Path.
This REST controller
Path.
path. So plus what? Plus what? We need what? Path na.
Yeah,
Path.
path.
Both we will combine here itself only. Our what? Discovery discovery what? Client only will prepare this one, guys. Okay, then what? We need what? One REST client. One REST client. We can use another web client also, but here we learned in last time REST template, right? REST template. So we will take the REST template using the REST, the help of what? REST template. What we will do it now, guys? We will make the request to whom? We will make the request to whom? This microservices, right? Then we will make the request to
Yes.
whom? This microservices. This microservices, and then after then what will happen now? This microservices will return the response. Then this microservices will return the what? Response, and we will get it, right? So this is the execution flow will be there now, guys. Okay, this is the execution flow will be there now. Okay, good. So but fine now, guys. So how we will implement in this controller? What is that? How? Let's understand till these things. Okay, these things and what? These things also again in using what is the diagram only, then we will prepare one application, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to make too much easy, guys. Okay, so now again let's understand one more way, guys. Okay, let's understand what? One more way, guys. So whenever we will develop what? Our what? Profile REST controller, guys. Okay, whenever we will develop our what? Profile REST controller, at the time how our what? How our what? This services, what is that? Finding how we will find that what? Instances from the Eureka server, and this one will return the list of what? List of service instances, and how we will prepare it. Let's see that. Okay, let's see that diagram also. So now I'm going to give the explanation about this area, guys. Okay, just this area till now explanation I'm going to give. I'm going to give again till now explanation. Okay, this, forget about this one. In this diagram I will give this area explanation again, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi. Okay, Ravi.
so now
Very nice.
okay, good. So just assume that, right? So just assume that in the what is that? Profile REST consumer, right? So see that what is that? REST controller. I
Profile
wrote
REST controller.
profile
Profile REST controller.
yeah, just make this one also, because this one also consuming the services from the Eureka server. Na, just give the informatic name
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
It's consuming there.
Yes, consuming. Just I'm giving what? Consumer name, right? Just I'm giving what? Consumer name. 1 minute, guys. Someone is calling. Wait, just 1 minute.
I think your voice is breaking, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, your voice is breaking, Ravi.
Little bit sometimes.
I think some network connectivity issue.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, good. So now,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
okay,
Ravi.
good. So
Now
now
it's
let's
better.
understand. Now, so how the step will be there, guys? Okay, so okay, good. So just assume that okay, all details will be stored here. What? All details will store in the Eureka server, right? Just assume that this is our what? Eureka server. This is our what? Eureka server. Good.
Again, voice. is breaking.
So
Yes, right.
so here what our what this controller will be there. Which controller now? Profile rest controller, right? So profile rest controller. Okay. So here what?
Yeah, right.
Profile rest consumer. Profile rest consumer is there, right? Spelling is correct, right? Consumer. Okay. CO. Correct,
Yes,
right?
CON.
yes, now correct.
Okay. This is what profile rest consumer. So then what we will do it now, guys? We will what make the has a relation with what here in the profile rest consumer. What is that? We will make the has a relation with what? Discovery client, right? Discovery client. We will make
Yeah,
the
okay.
has a
Yes,
relation
Ravi.
with what in which controller in which class now, guys? In which application here profile what profile rest consumer. Where now? Profile rest control consumer.
Consumer.
Rest consumer. So good. So here what? Step 1. So here we will use what? Here we will use what? Discovery client. Discovery client.
Yes, Ravi.
Discovery client. And what we will make now? What we will make in this class? We will make this discovery client as what? Auto wired. Just auto wire. Auto wired. Okay, we will make this client what? Auto wired in what? Where we will make it now, guys? In which class now, or in which project? Come on, profile rest consumer, right?
Consumer.
Yes,
then
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
then what is that? Then this, right? Then what is that? Discovery client will make the request to whom? Then our discovery client will
Ravi.
make the request to whom? Discovery.
Eureka server.
Discovery is nothing but what? Eureka server, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Eureka server. So that is what this discovery client will call one method, guys. Based on that method only, what is that? Finding, right? Finding concept, we seen
Find
that,
the
right?
service ID.
Finding, right? So the one
Yes, yes.
method,
Yeah.
Find your service ID.
one method is there, get instance. What is the method name is now, guys? Instances.
Yeah.
Instances, right? So it's argumented method. What is that? Service ID. This method will take what is that? Service ID. Based on that, what is that? Based on that, what will happen now? Multiple. So in what is that? In the registry server, what is in the registry memory? What is that? Multiple instances will be there, guys. Okay, don't think about that only one, because here just we are learning, right? Just we are learning, but in the real time, can you assume only one microservices will be there? No, multiple microservices will
No,
be there.
multiple.
So
Yes, Ravi.
so from here, what is that? From the Eureka server, right? From the Eureka server, so multiple multiple data will be there now. So just what kind of data will be there now, guys? What kind of data? Yes, ID. Service ID. Service ID. Service instance ID. What is that? Port number, host number, as well as what? Load factor. Every information will be stored here, what? In Eureka server now, guys.
Eureka server.
In a Eureka server. Okay, so So based on that what this ID, based on this ID, it will fetch the microservices. It will fetch the microservices from Eureka server. And what will happen now? Then this one will return what? Profile. This one will return what? One profile. This one will return what? One profile. Good. This one will return what? One profile. Okay, so the profile, everyone know that, right? In the collection, whenever we are storing the data based on that indexing, we are storing or not, guys? Come on, give the response, everyone.
Yes, bro.
Ravi,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes.
So index based, right? Our array list is what? Index based collection, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
So
Yes.
yeah, so then what is that? What is that? The data will come here, right? The data will come here. Okay, good. So the data will come, and what is that? Just here what? Our only one microservices is there. Which one microservices? Profile REST controller, na? So because of that, just we are selecting what? Only one profile from the Eureka server. So but still that Eureka server, because this one is returning what? List of instances, na? Come on, guys, here we are getting the list of instances or not?
Yes, Ravi, list of instances.
We are getting the list of instances.
Yes. Service instance.
Service instance, we are getting the list of service instance or not? So but what is that? In which index does this what? If only one profile is there, so in which index
Only
the
first.
profile will store now, guys? In which index the profile will store? In zeroth index or not?
Zero
Come on.
Correct, Ravi, zero index.
Zeroth index will store our what instance or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, yes. True.
So
Yes, Ravi.
if we want to fetch the instance from the zeros index, what is the method in the collection, guys? Anyone remember it?
My collection.
Get,
Yeah,
right?
get
Get-
method.
Get method is there,
Get
na?
method.
So good. So
Yeah.
here again, what we will call it now, guys? So if we want to fetch the one instance from the list, right? From the list, so we will call one method, right? That what? That method is nothing but what? Get instance, right? That method is nothing but
Get
what?
method.
Get instance. Get instance, and we will call the zero index, right? Zero index. Come on. Like this only we are calling, na?
Yes, Ravi, yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Actually, Ravi, your
good.
voice is breaking sometimes.
Yeah, someone is calling every time on my phone, right? I am busy now, but still the people know that, right? He's becoming busy with on the
Yeah,
but still they are calling on my phone. I don't know. Okay,
because they know about today is Saturday, that's why.
yeah, okay. So no issue, guys. Okay, now fine. Now everything is fine. I still breaking. My voice is
Yes, we
breaking.
know. No,
Yeah, now
you can just continue.
Okay, good. So okay, so here if we want to get what? One instance, if we want to get what? One instance from what? List, right? So then what we will call now? Get method we will call. Then what we will get here now? One instance we will get it now, or not, guys? One instance we will get it now. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
We will get what? One instance, right? We will get what? One instance. Good. So this one will return what? This one will return what? One instance. After then what? After by taking that one instance, what we will fetch now? URI, right? URI. We will get what? URI na? In the one instance, what? We will get one URI. After then what? We will see that what is the path of what? This controller. Come on, guys. What is the path of this
Yes, yes, bro.
controller? Yeah.
yes, Ravi.
We will get the path of what? One controller. Now good. So okay, after then what? After then we will construct one URI. The combination using what? Both the combination of what? Using the combination of what? URI plus path. What we will construct? One URL we will construct. What we will construct it now, guys?
One URL.
One URL we will construct now. So after constructing one URL, what we will do it now, guys? We will use one what? Client. What is that one client? So
First.
just here what I'm taking now, REST template. REST template, right?
Yes, Ravi.
I will use what REST template, then what the REST template will make that call, right? Then what will happen now? Our REST template will make the call, right? Our REST template will make the call, right? So now this diagram is clear now, guys.
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
So just this area explanation I given, guys. Okay, till from here to here, this area explanation till now I given the explanation how we will write the code, right? So this diagram will help you. This diagram will help you at the time of what writing the code. Because of that I given the explanation.
Ravi,
Yeah,
here discovery client is mainly to get the service ID from Eureka server.
Which one?
After that, discovery client first calls the Eureka server and get the service ID. After
Yes.
that, with the help of REST template, we will get the response, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. So using
Okay.
what the discovery client uses what the just discovery client uses what? 1 minute. The discovery client.
Service ID.
So discovery client uses what? Just making the request to whom? Just making the request to whom? Eureka server. That's it.
Eureka server.
Yes, Ravi.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah. Now I got the difference between discovery client and the REST template.
Now, just remember, anyone remember it? The person when I was started microservices session, at the time only one person is asking what is the difference between REST template and what our discovery or pin client. What is the difference? Just tell me, guys. Okay, without explanation of this area, right? If I give at the time of explanation about what is the difference, that person will really understand.
Yeah,
I-
even I thought that the REST template, discovery client, both are to call the other service.
No. Now clear,
Yeah,
right?
now we got the
They are
difference.
totally
REST
different.
template is provide the service and a pin client we are using some functionality to other application.
Then Fin client will be used for that.
Yeah.
Ravi, here service only automatic generated.
Don't worry. At the time of whenever we will do the practical, you will see those things. Okay. just
Yeah, right.
be
Better we create one dummy project, yeah.
just be the need little bit patience, right? Little bit need patience. Otherwise, if you want each and everything in a single second only, sorry, friend. Okay, I'm not a god, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ravi. Understood, Ravi.
So now in the explanation, in the diagram explanation, any doubt, guys?
No, Ravi.
No, it's fine.
Okay, so now let's develop it. Let's develop one application and we will see each and everything. Okay, based on this what diagram explanation, we will understand the things, guys. Okay, as a practically and what at the time of doing the practical each this one also we need, guys. Okay, this one also we need, and at the time we are there in this place, we are going to develop this area, we are going to develop this area, we are going to develop this area. I will tell. Okay, I will tell at the time of development. Now clear?
Clear,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay, good. So now let's prepare one application. Okay, what is the nothing? What is the application? Our what? We will take what employee and profile only. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Okay,
so
Ravi.
now let's do the coding. Let's do the coding now, guys. Okay, so coding, our coding. We are going to do what? Coding now. Okay, so first what we will do now? First we will develop what? Our Eureka dashboard. We last weekend I given, right?
Yes, sir.
I shown
Yes,
that what
Ravi.
is that Eureka view also na. So first what we will develop
Yes,
it now,
Ravi.
guys. So first we will develop what?
Eureka
One
server.
project. Eureka server
Eureka server.
project. We will develop what? Eureka server project. So now our development will be, now see that I'm going to prepare what the project, guys. See that. Okay, so first what we will develop it now, guys. This area let's construct this area now. Clear?
Clear, Ravi. Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay, so now okay, so for that purpose what we will do it now, guys. One project we will create. What is that? File, new. Let's take what is that? Spring starter project, and this one what is that? Okay, so the
Eureka server.
so what is that? Let's give one name, right? Let's give one name only, right? Let's give what? One name. What is that? Spring Cloud. No, let's change the name. Okay, so let's give what is that? Spring Cloud
Spring
server,
Cloud
Eureka
Eureka
server.
Eureka server. Okay,
Eureka server.
Eureka.
Eureka server. Okay, so good. Now everything is fine. Now next here, what is that? We need what? We need Eureka server dependency, right? Which dependency we
Yes,
need now,
Ravi.
guys? Eureka.
Eureka server.
Yeah, Eureka
Eureka
server dependency. Now next, now finish. Okay, good. So project creation is going on, guys. Okay, wait.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes.
I have a question. Like in real life, do we have a Eureka server in our application? Because I work with one application with a bank,
Mhm.
but we don't use Eureka server. So I'm a little bit confused. So is it? I see that we don't use it.
You
I think
don't
we use
use
like kind of.
you don't
we
use
use
Eureka server, right? You don't use
No.
Eureka server in your project, right?
No, we use Kubernetes.
Another server you are using?
Yeah, Kubernetes.
Okay, no issue. Later we will see that one also, right?
Okay.
Now the current session you are understanding, right?
Oh yeah, very well.
Okay, so how our explanation?
Oh, it's great, man. It's great. You're the best.
Mhm. Still project creation is going on, guys. Okay, because of that I'm not explaining anything. Wait.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are seeing also.
Yes, Ravi, yeah.
It's taking too much time. I think net speed is too much slow today. Actually, we are there in like here, the winter season is started, and the January now is going to start. Only 5 to 6 day only left, right? So in the December last and what January starting is too much cold is happening here. Even the fog as well as all those things. So because of that, like network problem and everything is going on today nowadays.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
No, you can start developing Ravi because they are downloading only source and Java docs files. This
Ah,
is not
okay, yeah.
required for development.
Okay, so now what is that first step? What we will do it now, guys? First step, what we will open the main method.
Yes.
And what is the notation now, guys? Anyone remember last time I used
the rate-
that, right?
At the
Yeah.
rate enable Eureka server.
Enable Eureka server.
Very
Right,
good,
yes.
very good. At the rate what? Enable,
Enable Eureka server.
Eureka server.
Eureka server.
enable My system also hanging now. Eureka server, right? Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, now next what we will do it now, guys, we will open the property file. So
Yes.
anyone can tell what is the recommended port number of Eureka
Port
server.
8761.
Very good.
8761.
Very good. So
8761.
very nice, very nice. Okay, so we will take what is that server dot what port equal to what, equal to just I'm taking what 8761, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So here what here? So two more property we need to take. What is that property? Anyone remember? Register with what? Eureka server equal to false. We will make here or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Eureka
Eureka
client
client register with
client
Start
dot register with
register with Eureka.
register
Eureka.
with what?
Eureka is equal to
Eureka
false.
equal to false, right? Okay, so now another one is what?
Eureka dot
Eureka dot
client
client
dot fetch
Eureka
fetch
dot
registry.
registry
Dot client.
dot client
Client
fetch
dot
registry.
Page registry.
dot
FET.
fetch registry, right? Now we need to make this one also as what? False,
False.
right? Okay, good.
Yes,
So okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now if you want to see that what dashboard of what Eureka server, so what we will do it now, guys, right click, run this one, run as what? Spring Boot application. Now open
One application.
our what? One client is nothing but what? Browser. Just open, I'm opening Chrome. So here what we will do it now, http:// now the Eureka server is started and what? So still there is a no instance, guys. Okay, there is a no instance.
Yes,
Any
Ravi.
instance
Yes,
is
sir.
there? No, na? Come
No,
on.
Ravi, no.
No,
Ravi.
Okay,
no,
good.
Suppose we have
Okay.
put it a false.
Okay, so next one, what I'm going to do it now, guys. Next one is what? Again, we need what? Again, we need what? One more
one more
application,
project.
one more project, right? So let's develop it now. So which project we need what? So we need what is that? Spring
Client.
profile services. Let's develop what? Spring profile services is nothing but what? This profile REST controller, right? Profile REST controller. Okay, so now let's first develop what? Profile REST controller. Which one we will develop first? Now come here. Profile REST controller. Let's first develop what? Without at the time of explanation Spring Boot, I said that what is that? Without producer there is a no consumer. Anyone
There is no
remember
consumer.
it? Anyone remember this
Yes,
statement?
Yes, yes.
So first we need
Yes,
to
Ravi, yeah, right.
Yes.
first we need to develop what is that provider, na? Then we will
Producer.
start to develop what? Consumer. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so for that purpose also what we will do it now, guys. So let's create one application. Let's create one
One more
application.
project.
So one more for that purpose. What is that? One microservices project. What is that? One microservices project. So now let's take what is that? A Spring Starter project. What is that? A Spring Starter project now. Okay, good. So here what is that package name? Let's take what is that? com.rk. That's it. com.rk, right? So here I'm taking what? I'm taking the project name here. Let's take what is that project name? Let's take Spring Cloud Profile Services. Spring Cloud Profile.
Oh.
Spring Cloud Profile Service. Okay, good. So now next. So here what dependency we need? Two dependency. Which one? Eureka Discovery Client. And what is that? And what is that? Need what? Spring Web. Spring Web. My voice is breaking, guys. Are clear now? Please clear it.
Yes,
Clear,
Clear, right? So
Clear.
in this project, in the producer, what is that we need? What is that two client? What is that? Eureka Discovery client plus what? Spring Web. Now next, now finish. Project creation is going on, guys. Wait. We are working in this area now, guys. Okay, we are working in this area. Now project. Confirm everything is fine, guys. Please confirm once. Actually, net issue is there. Network issue is there here. Please confirm once.
Your screen is loaded. Yeah, Ravi.
Confirm,
it's
Ravi.
Everything is okay.
Okay, good. So fine now.
No, it's loaded.
Another project also created, guys. Okay, another project also
It's
created.
loaded, Ravi.
It's loaded, right? Now good.
Completed, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Any disturbance is there? Please let me know that. Okay, 1 minute. I will connect another network, guys. Okay, please wait. Now, just confirm once, guys. Confirm.
Yes, Ravi. It's
Fine, Ravi. Everything is
Yeah,
fine.
Ravi, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, good. So I created one microservices. So just we are working on this area now, guys. Okay, just we are working on this area. Come on.
Yeah.
So
Okay, Ravi. Yeah.
let's what take one profile REST controller. Let's take what one profile REST controller. But what is that? First, what we will do it now? First, what? Open this project. And what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now? Come here. Okay, so just open this one. So here, what is that? This is what. So here one more annotation we will use.
Enable Eureka
Enable Eureka
client.
client.
Okay.
Enable this
Client.
So here what we will take it now, guys, enable what?
Discovery
Eureka
client.
client. In this time what? Eureka client. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
fine
yes.
now. Fine now, guys. So after then what is that here? This is the also one microservices project now. So here what? Open this one. So here also we will take what? One port number. Server.
Port number.
Server dot port number. Just I'm taking what? 9999. This is the port
9999.
number, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after then no need to take any property here, but what? But just what? But still I'm taking what? These two property, guys. Okay, here what is that? No need by default. What is that? By default what? Just I'm keeping if you make this one what? True, just I'm making true, right? Here what? True. But what is that? By default this is the true only. No need. Just I will show the property also. True only. So just what I'm doing now, just I'm opening the property. Now see this. See, okay, so here what? Open this one, right? So what is that by default property of what is that registry with
True.
Eureka? What is that? So
True.
True.
explicitly what is the use of? Okay, no na. So just I'm commenting this one. Okay,
No need.
no need, right? Come on.
Okay, Ravi.
So by default
Yes.
default is true only. So what is the use to take again so because of that
Because
I commented this one, right? I commented this one. Okay, good. So next one is what? Next what we will do it now, guys. So but still what is that? We need what? Location of what? We need what? Location of what?
Location.
Eureka
Yes,
server
Ravi.
na?
Eureka server.
Yes.
Eureka server, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes.
okay, good. So Eureka server we need, right? So after then what is that Eureka location is what? What is the Eureka location? So for that purpose, what is that? Any key is there?
One more
Anyone
property.
that property? Anyone remember that?
Availability zone.
Yes, Ravi.
Eureka location. Eureka location. What is the property? Anyone remember it? Eureka dot client dot
Availability. Right.
client dot what is that service?
Service dot default
URL.
zone.
Service dot URL.
Dot default zone.
Very good. URL dot default zone, right?
Correct, Ravi. Yes.
Default zone equal to what? What is the default zone?
HTTP.
This is right.
HTTP localhost.
Yes, correct.
Okay, good. So dot Eureka.
And prefix also.
Yes.
You want to see this one, right? Default zone, anyone want, right? 1 minute, I'll show that one also. Prefix is what? Eureka. Now I'm opening this one. Okay, what is this? 1 minute.
Now I am opening that. Now I am opening Hatha. Now I am opening that. Now I am opening Hatha. Now I am opening that.
Eureka spelling wrong, Ravi. You need to add E.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Now open this one. URL. So open here also. Default zone, right? So default zone is what? What is the default zone now, guys? Default URL, right? See, what is that?
Default prefix.
Okay, so one more. I need to open it, right? So default zone. This is the default prefix. Open this one. What is the default prefix now?
Eureka. Yeah.
Okay, Ravi. Yeah.
Because of this one, because of this, what I'm taking later, we will change it now, guys. Okay, later we will change it. So because of I'm taking this is right now. Clear?
Clear, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Clear.
Okay, so one more service instance, right? Service instance. What is that profile, right? Profile. I said that we need what is that profile to hit what is that to fetch what profile, right? So first we need what instance, right? Any instance. One more person is asked, right? Ravi, we need any instance also. We will specify that property also here, guys. Okay, one more property we need. What is that?
Spring dot
Service ID, right? We need what is that service ID. So for that, what is that?
yes, Ravi.
Spring
dot
application dot.
I think, Ravi, is Spring S is
No,
small.
no, we will give what is that? Let's give the name, right? Spring application name.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so here what I'm giving now, profile service.
Application.
Service application, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's run this application now, guys. Okay, so again, let's see that our what? Our Eureka dashboard. So here there is no instance now. Come on, any instance is running
Yes,
now.
understand.
So
No.
so now I'm running first what Eureka server now here. Now right click, run the Eureka server. Just refresh this page only. We got the Eureka server dashboard, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi.
now run another application.
Profile service.
Yeah,